FreeBSD is blessed with a lot of software. At the last count, there were over 31,330 packages available. And although most of everything you will ever need is already there, there will always be that one thing that you miss in FreeBSD that you perhaps used on another platform. This video will highlight 5 most wanted ports compiled from the FreeBSD wanted list, user comments on my channel, and from my own experience. There may be some that you would like, and if there are, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And who knows, someone from the FreeBSD project or FreeBSD Foundation may be watching and see your request. Number 5. Android Studio. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system. It's built on JetBrains' IntelliJ IDEA software. It's available for download on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and unfortunately not FreeBSD. Once an app has been compiled with Android Studio, it can be published on the Google Play Store. FreeBSD has a great deal of potential to offer developers, and it's often overlooked as a platform to get things done. But with software such as Android Studio, developers can use FreeBSD and enjoy all the benefits that this fantastic OS has to offer, and also getting work done. Number 4. Brave Browser. Brave is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software and is based on the Chromium web browser. Brave is a privacy-focused browser which automatically blocks online advertisements and website trackers in its default settings. It also provides users with a choice to turn on optional ads that pay users for their attention in the form of basic attention tokens. Users can then send contributions to websites and content creators, which will be nice here, which support BAT in the form of tips, along with the ability to keep the cryptocurrency they earned. With an average user base of 42.1 million a month, it's something that FreeBSD users are missing out on the desktop. I get asked about this browser quite often, and it would be great to see a FreeBSD native version appearing in the ports tree. I know there's ways around using the Linuxulator, but still, a native version would be best. Number 3. Scratch. Scratch is a high-level block-based visual programming language targeted primarily at children from 8 to 16 as an educational tool for programming. Users of Scratch can create projects, and then these can be exported to HTML5, Android apps, and exe files using external tools. The service is developed by the MIT Media Lab and has been translated to over 70+ languages and used in most parts of the world. Scratch is taught and used in after-school centres, schools and colleges, as well as other public knowledge institutions. And it's in this large pool of young programmers that I feel that FreeBSD will be a great choice, and an opportunity to attract over a new generation of users to the platform using Scratch as a doorway, which could lead back to choice number 5, Android Studio. Number 2. Docker or Kubernetes. Docker is a set of Platform as a Service, or PaaS, products that use the OS-level virtualization to deliver software in packages called containers. Containers are isolated from one another and bundle their own software, libraries, and configuration files. They can communicate with each other through well-defined channels. Because of all the containers share the service of a single operating system kernel, they use fewer resources than virtual machines. And Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration system for automating computer application deployment, scaling, and management. Many cloud services offer a Kubernetes-based platform on which Kubernetes can be deployed as a platform providing service. Many vendors also provide their own branded Kubernetes distributions. So yes, while FreeBSD offers Jails and Beehive and are a very advanced way to achieve the same results as the two mentioned container technologies, the truth of the matter is that Docker and Kubernetes are the industry standard, which puts FreeBSD in a disadvantaged position as there is no native FreeBSD version. There are ways to do it, of course. The FreeBSD community is a resourceful one, but it would give FreeBSD an air of officialness, for want of a better word, in the corporate realm. And number 1. Steam. No need for introductions. Steam is a video game distribution service by Valve. Because FreeBSD has often been seen as a server-based OS, many companies and technologies overlooked FreeBSD when it came to transitioning from being solely a Windows-only platform to a Mac or Linux one as well. Again, like Docker or Kubernetes, there are ways using the wonderful Linuxulator to use the Linux version, or indeed using Wine, the Windows version of Steam, but the results can be hit or miss, and it never really feels right. A native version would be nice, and it's something I get asked about a lot from potential FreeBSD desktop users. It's down to Steam and out of FreeBSD's remit, of course, but it would be nice and it would go a long way to help the case for FreeBSD as a general all-round OS. I hope you like these 5 choices I would like to see come to FreeBSD. If you agree, then please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and if you disagree, also leave a comment in the comment section down below. And if you've got your own list, then please put them down. It'd be great to hear them. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. This and every other video on my channel has been made using FreeBSD and open source software.